What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can drill a hole in a ceramic pot. So I found these really nice pots online, but they come with no drainage hole for your house plants to grow properly. So today I'm going to show you how you can do it with your Dremel. So drilling into ceramic can be quite tricky, and you want to make sure you put down an old towel to stop your pot from moving around. You'll want your Dremel set to around 20 RPM, safety glasses, and these rather nice tungsten carbide bits. I'm going to try both, but I have used the long cylinder one before and it works pretty well. So you're going to want to start off at an angle into the ceramic, just to bite into the surface first. Now you can see we've punctured our hole, so all I'm going to do now is clean it up by making small circular movements inside the hole to make it all neater. As you can see, I've gone round the circle just to make it a lot bigger and cleaned it up a lot. So we're ready to put our plants in. Now to just clean up the edges. You could make the hole however big you want, or you could do 3 separate holes, 2 holes. The choice is yours. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.